For part 2 of how to make a Sunburst granny hexagon. We're starting round 3 where we left off. We had done a slip stitch on round 2, so to start round 3 we're going to chain 2 and we're going to do a 3 double crochet cluster in between these 2 puff stitches. We're not going to work in the top of our stitch, we're going to be working in between the stitch from the round below. A 3 double crochet cluster is where we start but do not complete 3 double crochets. Once I've got all 3 of those double crochets on my hook, plus I have my chain 2, I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 4 of those loops. Next I'm going to chain 2, and for the rest of the round, I will be doing a 4 double crochet cluster in between each stitch. In the first round, the chain 2 acted as part of our original double crochet cluster. So I'm going to do 4 double crochet cluster in between each puff stitch from the round below all the way around. As I complete each double crochet cluster, I'm going to chain 2. When I've completed my last stitch and chain 2, I'm going to slip stitch in between the first 2 stitches. For round 4, it's going to be the same concept, but this time we're going to do 5 double crochet clusters. In the last round we did double crochet clusters of 4, now we're going to do clusters of 5. For the first stitch, we will chain 2 and then do a 4 double crochet cluster. Remember that that chain 2 technically acts as a double crochet, so I only want to add a 4 double crochet cluster. And here I'm going to chain 3 after each stitch. For the rest of the round, I'm going to do 5 double crochet cluster. After I complete each double crochet cluster, you will chain 3. I'm going to do that all the way around. When I complete my last stitch and chain 3, I'm going to slip stitch in between the first 2 stitches of this round. You will notice at this point your circle is going to be really warped. It will straighten out once we add the border. I'm also using a worsted weight yarn with a smaller hook than I would normally use for a yarn of the size because I wanted the blanket to be very warm and I didn't want a bunch of holes and spaces.